listen, it feels like your power and your positive, cleansed energy is back to you. This is automatic. Why am I saying this is automatic? This is a new year. This is year 1. And you can feel that something has been left back in year 9. And now the groove in year 1 is different from the groove in year 9. You are going to be the one to spoil this for yourself, or you are going to be the one to multiply this for yourself. You are going to find yourself speaking your truth more than you have ever spoken your truth. Something has shifted from the crown to the root, from the root to the crown. Especially this area. So many people are going to wake up to speaking truth. I'm not talking about people holding their phones and looking into the camera and saying whatever they need to say. That is going to happen as well. I'm talking about you standing up to the people around you that were putting you down, people that you weren't able to confront in year 9. This is going to be different. Your voice is now activated. Some of you have already tested it already. You have already stood up using your voice to some people, and you don't know how this has happened, but it is happening. Yes, it is a new time. It is a new reality. It is a new phase. Everything is new. You are going to be the one to delay, to hold yourself back, to run, but it is already happening. It is already happening. The awakening I'm talking about. It is already happening. Even you, people who were scared to stand up to you, they are going to stand up to you. It is not a one-way thing. So this is to tell you and to prepare you, and the confirmation to some of you that yes, prepare for this time, the rising of truth in the collective. It is going to be very, very hard for you not to speak the truth. It is going to be hard. Something is always going to hold you back from speaking lies. Even the people around you, it's going to be very hard for them to tell you lies. It's either they are going to run away from your life, they are going to find a way to just run away, to leave you if they cannot speak the truth to you with you. So many connections that are based on lies are going to end if the truth is not going to come out automatically from the people that are keeping the lies. Their connections are going to just end. You might find yourself being ghosted very soon because something is itching people right now. In the collective, something is itching. This is a year of truth. Leave alone these things that we've been saying. Oh my God, truth is coming out. This is it. I've tested it already. That's happened to me, and I was shocked. I was like, okay, how did I end up saying this to this particular person? Things that I was just thinking about the entire year last year and wanted to say and couldn't say because I didn't want to hurt this person or whatsoever. That is the same thing. You might not want to hurt them because you love them or maybe because whatever reasons, but then you might find yourself doing the right thing, especially, like I said, especially this, the throat chakra. I feel like this year is the year of speaking truth. I feel like it's the year of the throat chakra being more active. So the collective might find itself activating its throat chakra even more. Like, you might be focusing on other chakras, but the throat chakra is going to be like, I need to be the one in control. I need to be the one in control. Not because I'm not talking about it being ego based or something, but something needs to come out. And it all starts with a truth foundation. You being true to yourself, because even you yourself, you have been failing to tell yourself good things, positive things. You have been asking God, ancestors, spirits, give me, instead of telling yourself that I am, I can, I feel. It is gonna be different. We are going to be pushed by this universe to tell ourselves, to tell other people the truth. The truth. Because some people have buried themselves in the lies of them being ugly and broke and poor and sick and unhealthy and whatsoever. You are going to be pushed to remove those lies and speak life to yourself. The awakening. But this time around, I feel like the awakening, it is the awakening of the voice. So many people are going to become the voice of the voiceless, not the voiceless of the collective, but the voiceless of you. I feel like I'll come and do a video about that. The voiceless of you, because you are the voiceless. You are the one that is, there is this other part of you that wants to speak to itself, to other people, but then there is this other part of you that is like, no, I cannot, I'm shy, oh my God. You are going to become the voice of the voiceless. Something about you is going to wake up, and how can I put all this thing into just one thing, and so that I can make you understand. The time is different. It's a different time. It's a different time. It's year one. You know what happens in year one in school? We learn new things. New things. Everything is new. We learn how to write. We learn how to read. We learn new subjects. That is what is happening. But mostly what the Spirit is showing me is, so if you are someone that has been working on your throat chakra, it is going to be put to test. Check microphone 1, 2. So get ready to find yourself telling someone the truth without you even thinking about it. Something that you've been holding back for a very long time. And I wish you the best, because that is what I want to see for you, for myself as well, because we need it in this world, in this universe. We need it. We need that. It's going to bring a lot of change. I mean, positive one. Okay? I love you. Kisses.